What happens when you die? Kenzakalani mawufa? Reincarnation versus reanimation. So reincarnation is a belief ukuthi umuntu mekafa umphefumulo wakhe uyaqhubeka uphile somewhere else in a different life form. Yabo? So for example, in some African cultures there's a belief ukuthi if kuzoshona ugogo then kuzalwa umntana. Lo mntana lo ozalwayo umphefumulo kagogo sekazalwa in a new body. Yabo? Like is a continuation of life. That's why in some beliefs umntana like bathi is the biggest ancestor, idlozi elikhulu ejaridini. Uyangithola? Nakhona i-reincarnation has different ways of conceptualizing it. Yabo? Abanye they believe ukuthi umuntu mekashona in a reincarnation, umuntu mekashona umphefumulo wakhe uyasuka uhambe. If masithi kule mpilo lengiphilayo bengumuntu right, then ngizozalwa kabusha maybe sengumntana enkosi. Yabo? But if kule mpilo lengiphilayo bengumuntu o evil, ngizozalwa kabusha sengiyinja or sengiyigundwane. Yabo? Some believe ukuthi, and obviously there's proof, scientific proof of reincarnation, yabo, such as izinto ezifana nabo ma-deja vu, where like umphefumulo wakho unokuhamba uye in the future ukhumbule izinto, ubone izinto ezoyenzakala in the future, then ubuye in the past ukhumbuze, mara uzokhumbuza in that moment. You understand? Reincarnation is sebenza nangendlela yokuthi if ngiyaphila manje, you decide wena if you pass on, you decide ukuthi you choose your moms, yabakhetha abazali bakho, you choose your mom, you choose your dad, you choose your parents kahle kahle. Ngiyangithola? Like emotional usangabuya futhi uyihlahla. Yabo? Like reincarnation is based on the principle ukuthi umuntu mekashona umphefumulo wakhe awupheli, uyabuya futhi in a different life form. Yabo? Nokuthi njengoba ngiphila manje ake ngaphila before, and isikhathi ngendlela of reincarnation asisebenzi ngendlela yabantu abaphilayo. Yabo? Isikhathi sabantu komunye umhlaba in the umhlaba we-reincarnation or the world of the souls, like ngisangashona manje ngo-2025 then ngizalwe futhi ngo-1925. You understand? Like akusho ukuthi if ngizoshona manje isikhathi sengizozalwa manje maybe next year, if ngizozalwa umntanami ngizozalwa ngumntanami. Yabo? Ngazalwa in the future, ngazalwa in the past. Yabo? Isikhathi for imphefumulo works differently. Then i-reanimation is the belief ukuthi if umuntu passes on uzobuya futhi in the same body with the same thoughts and the same families. Yabo? And the same family and same friends. Ngiyangithola? Ngendlela yokuthi is i-reanimation kakhulu kuma-Christians. Yabo? Ukuthi when you pass on kuzofika uyobuya uJesu akhalise iqilongo, then wena uzobuya in the same body. You understand? So yeah, so when do you believe in reincarnation, reanimation,